Thanks for visiting the Van Eman Real Estate Team Properties. If you have any questions or want a personal tour of a specific property, contact Terry and he will assist you and view a property. Again, thanks for stopping by. Wake up to gorgeous sunrises in this beautiful 3-bed 2-bath, 2,393 square feet pool home, with elevator, where every bedroom has its own balcony. Then enjoy island living by spending the day on the screened in lanai in the custom, self-cleaning swimming pool with heated spa. Or cool off on the second floor with a large, open-space living room with built-in wet bar, wine cooler, ice maker, separate sunroom and kitchen complete with stainless appliances, custom cabinets, granite countertops, and walk-in pantry. The third floor has a huge master suite with screened balconies and water views from all sides of the house and a master bathroom with large jacuzzi tub, walk-in shower, and dual sinks. Bottom floor has a 2-car garage, storage room, and bedroom. Don't feel like taking the stairs? Take the elevator all the way from the ground floor to the third floor. The home also has a 50-foot dock and 10,000 pounds boat lift, where Pine Island Sound is less than a 3-minute boat ride. If you're worried about pesky bugs, home has a built-in mosquito misting system to keep them at bay.